Alright. They're not even selling cars anymore. They're selling SUVs only. SUVs and trucks. No, period. The Fusion and those others, they're done. God, son. You have to drive it. You have to drive it. Because they die. They die.
Yeah, and anyway, she got it from Avis, and then went to Vegas.
Jesus, what the?
Went to Vegas, stayed at a hotel for a week. They catch a flight, gets up, calls
Dude,
fucking
right, won't start, yeah.
Calls them, they're like, well, I'll be in search of bringing you back. She's like, this car, I don't know, since catch my flight, the car won't start.
Right.
And she was
after a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was like, oh, it's fine.
China clear.
And apparently, so she went to the
Any less than 3 days. Anything more than 3 days.
And that's it.
Yeah. The control battery. Alright, you ready? I'm a little, where am I? A little ahead of you? Alright. 3, oh wait, did I start? I think I started. Yeah, I did. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I had to get up to get out of the sun. Get your gear up. Okay. Alright. Alright?
Yeah, I just got blinded right by the sun.
Oh.
Came out.
God, I hate it when it... You okay?
I'm still recovering.
Okay. Put him up, bro.
Put him up now.
There, I'm over there. Let's join up.
See, those two look great in the air though. Because they look so real.
The sword! Alright, I'm staying close to us, Frankie.
Alright, I'm gonna cross it in a second.
Going over the sun. Gotta climb up and over. Don't you know I'm loco?
Give me some salsa.
Yeah. This is the first one I put in.
That custom made one?
The one from Ran, yeah. Shit, dude. I'm like, where is he? Oh shit, son. We're not even trying and we're still in formation. Ah! Damn, son. Whoa, damn. What pack is that? Is that the graphene? Jesus, it's screaming. 55 China Hobby?
Yeah.
55C? Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
I took off.
1. Time expired.
I still got time. I got the 5,000, so. Whoa.
That sun is brutal.
It's brutal. It's hard to avoid.
On takeoff, I was like, oh shit!
All right, just to be safe, I'm coming in.
21.7.
Those 55Cs will not be forgiving. I crashed mine with that plane, with that battery. I'm gonna come back to us before you come in. You're clear. Woo-hoo-hoo. The sun is crazy. Man, I'm like,
What we need to do is really go all the way to the back.
Yeah.
By the time you hear liftoff,
turn, yeah. That's why you're, yeah, it is, I see it, it's turned. I think I Loctited mine, I don't remember.